Okay. Let me get my petition open again. Thank you for sending that, Matthew. Okay, Shannon, on the record. Okay. Uh-oh. Oh, hold on. I see what's wrong. I gotta mute my my YouTube. I haven't done this at home in a while. Oh, come on. I'm looking for some controls. I see what's wrong. I gotta mute my YouTube. I haven't done this at home in a while. Looking for some control. Can you guys hear me?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes.
All right, I think I fixed it. Well, actually, I can't tell if it's actually streaming or not. I guess I'm not going to worry about it. We've got a record that Shannon's making, and looks like we lost Ms. Tyler. Let me get her back in.
She told me, she emailed me saying she couldn't hear anything. Hopefully this works. If not, like I can call her and put her on speaker or something.
All right, we've got her back in. Ms. Tyler, can you hear now? I heard her when she was there earlier. Ms. Tyler?
I can try to call her, Your Honor, and put her on speaker maybe.
Yeah, that would work.
Let's see if we can.
Okay. I finally got to the right control so that we are streaming and they can hear us. Ms. Tyler? Ms. Tyler, can you hear? She's muted and unmuted a couple of times, probably trying to get things to work. Matt, if you've got her, you are muted right now.
All right, so I have Mia on speakerphone. Can you speak, Mia?
Yep, I'm here.
Okay, looks like we've got everyone here. Okay. This is the matter of the Bellew miners. I don't have any kind of a script here. I don't know who represents whom. So counsel, if you could each state your appearances.
Matt
Chris
Way
Rover
on
for the
behalf
mother,
of
Your
the-
Honor.
Oh, Matt Way on behalf of the agency, Mia Tyler, present via phone.
Ken Hotchkiss on behalf of Father Alan Blue.
Becca McCluskey, guardian ad litem.
And I'm sorry, Chris, you represent the mother?
Yes, Your Honor, Stephanie Hadley.
Okay. And Supervisor Farragher is also present in the courtroom. Oh, but we don't have any parents present. Ms. Tyler, have you been in communication with them?
So the parents just, Stephanie just sent me a text message and said she needed the Zoom information, so I just sent it to her.
All right, well, we'll sit tight and wait for her to show. Are both parents in the home?
The last time I spoke to them, both of the parents were in the home.
All right, so it's likely we'll be hearing from both of them together.
That's what I would believe.
Yeah, and I spoke with my client yesterday and again this morning, and he told me he intended to be present this morning.
We'll give
I'm sorry,
them,
can you think that he told you that?
we'll give
Mr.
them,
Hotchkiss just said that Mr. Blue told him he was going to be present this morning.
Okay.
so if they have trouble connecting by Zoom, if you could just give me their phone number, I can pull them up on speakerphone.
Okay. I'm going to give you the phone number that she just texted me from. However, if this doesn't work, I do have another phone number for her also. It is
Okay, go ahead.
517-817-6625.
Well, let me try that and see what happens.
Hello.
Hello, Mrs. Ballou?
My name's Becky Hadley.
Oh, I'm sorry. I don't have paperwork in front of me, so I knew the children were named Ballou. Is Mr. Ballou present with you?
It actually doesn't matter.
Okay, you can hear me, ma'am?
Hold on just 1 second, please.
Okay.
I apologize.
I can hear you. State your name, please.
Stephanie Hadley.
Okay, Ms. Hadley, is Mr. Ballou present with you?
Yes, he is. He's actually trying to sign on to Zoom.
Okay, as long as you can both hear us, yeah, he can keep trying that. If I see him come in, I'll bring him in. If not, we can just go forward with the, as long as we can hear you and you can hear me. So all of the attorneys are present. And we're here today to complete the preliminary hearing. So I'm assuming counsel, everyone's received a copy of the amended petition.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, Your Honor.
Is it necessary for me to read the petition out loud?
No, Your Honor.
No, Your Honor.
Waive reading.
Likewise, Your Honor.
Probable cause?
Waive probable cause, Your Honor. I know that we had already set a trial date for this, I believe in March the 23rd, but we already have a trial date. I see no reason why we couldn't keep that same date for continuing with this.
Any objection to that, Mr. Hotchkiss?
No, Your Honor, my client's requesting a trial, and I think that suggestion works well.
All right. Where are the children?
Right now,
They are in they are in licensed foster care.
Have relatives been explored?
Yes, there's been about 8 relatives that have come forward and we have looked into them.
Are
And
you,
some of them Some of them are unable to do it, and then some, due to their criminal history or CPS history, have not been able to do it as well. But that's still being explored through licensing.
Okay. Parents, just so you know, we always prefer placement with a relative over foster care. And that is being pursued. Apparently, not all the relatives have been explored yet, but that's still in process.
Okay.
What are the scheduled pretrial and trial dates, Shannon?
There is no pretrial. There's just a
Right.
trial.
We probably
March
should.
28.
The trial is when? I'm sorry.
March 23rd at 1:30.
All right, let's set a pretrial the week before that. Did you find a date and time yet, Shannon?
Oh, yeah, March 16th at 8:30. Sorry, I thought you guys had calendars out.
March 16th at 8:30 for the pretrial, trial as currently scheduled. Is there anything else the court needs to address on the record today?
I did have one thing just briefly, Your Honor. This started as an in-home petition. Now, obviously, it's not. I just would like to have the agency arrange as much parenting time for mom as possible. This is not a situation where the children were removed because of something that mom was doing to the children, other than a concern by the agency, valid or otherwise, that the children might not be safe in her care. So I get that, but there's no reason why supervised parenting time shouldn't occur as much as seemingly possible, because I don't necessarily think it's fair to the children to have mom always around and then all of a sudden 1 or 2 hours a week. Thank you.
So as much as can be accommodated, I agree with Mr. Hurlbert. We should get mom as much parenting time as we can under the circumstances. Anything else this morning?
Your Honor, with respect to my client, he has a same request with respect to parenting time, supervised or otherwise. And so he would like as much frequency and duration as possible.
All right, I'll express that for both parents then.
Thank you.
Okay, I think we're through, unless I missed something.
No, thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
All right. Any questions from either parent?
Well, I was asking now, if you had any questions, because I keep gonna log in to it, just have the wrong ID number.
We're about done now, so I
Yeah,
think,
I told him that he was okay as long as.
okay, very good. Then that concludes our hearing. We'll see you back here for the pretrial. Thank you all. And counsel, we'll see you this afternoon at 1. And you too, Shannon.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Thank
All
you.
right. Take care.